Hello, now I'm going to help you to review your previous lesson. Bây giờ cô giáo sẽ giúp các bạn ôn tập lại nội dung bài vừa học nha. Unit 5. We've got English. We've got English. Art. Art. Maths. Maths. English. 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 Science. 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 PE. 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 Music, music, music. Well done. Now listen to me. Listen to the story. Các em nghe câu chuyện nha. What have we got on Monday? We've got English. Then we've got maths. When have we got PE? When have we got PE? We've got PE on Thursday. Oh, good. On Thursday. Don't forget these. Don't forget these. Oh yes, our PE bags. It's time for football. Put on your PE clothes now. Put on your PE clothes now. Oh no, this is Rosie's bag. I can't wear these clothes. I can't play football now. You can wear the clothes, Tim. You can wear the clothes, Tim. They're clothes. Thank you very much. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye, guys.